Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Brew Review. And due to the largesse of an unknown benefactor, there we are. This is the strangest looking beer I've ever seen. First pour. No head. No carbonation. It appears through the green plastic of the glass to be an absolutely clear liquid. Oh! Oh! Well, I'm wondering if I can put that in my lamp. Where is it? I'll have to try that experiment in a day or two. Put the last little bit of that. Yeah, you can use it in the alcohol lamp if you don't drink it. An unknown benefactor. Wife went to the store today, and someone left this bottle in a bag in the bushes at the store. Well, I'm now curled up like a slug you dumped a pound of salt on, so. Okay, let's see this here. Belvedere vodka, distilled and bottled by Polmos Zaradon in Poland. 40% alcohol by volume. Not quite burn. Pretty bottle. Let's see. Stick a candle in it. Yeah. I was watching the impeachment arguments today. It sounded to me like the Democrats basically were bleating like Mary's little lamb. I mean, piteous. I do hope that the arguments get better. I do hope there are witnesses. Oh, I mean, guest roasters. And of course, what's the word? Exhibits. In this case, documents.
fryer yet?
Well, anyway, gang, Belvedere vodka. I mean, 40% by volume, you know, it's not your highest alcohol content. I'm no judge of flavor in vodka. I mean, ethyl alcohol tastes like ethyl alcohol. Only way to change the flavor of ethyl alcohol is add stuff to it. And since vodka has not put anything in it, it tastes like alcohol. Don't know how much it costs. I've seen them advertise it in magazines. So it's your Playboy and Town and Country advertised vodka, I guess. Due to the largesse of someone who put it in the bushes at the store.